Hello guys, this is me. We're back for part 2 because we didn't get part 2. You guys got one Loma cards. You guys don't know what the Loma cards is. Our Loma cards is Crowell Garden. You guys should get this from my best friend. His name is Zach and he's a boy. Don't tell in the chat that I have a crush on him. I don't have a crush on him. I don't have a crush. Ooh, you guys get 1 peso. Congratulations for the one who got this. Guys, I have a lot of money right now. So sorry for the bother. So here's $1 or 1 pesos. This is the money look like in the Philippines. Because I'm in the Philippines and I'm Tagalog. And I'm a Filipino. And I can sing. You're a traitor. One heartbeat. This is my bead. I should do the black one. This is the bead look. So there's a lot of hearts here actually. Guys, our last one. What we got? Another 1 peso! Oh my god!
Ibang klase ang nagdaang dalawang
There's another 1 pesos. Congratulations for the one who got this. So here's the order. So comment in the chat if you want to get a pick or get a scoop. You don't need to pay. You just need to like and comment. You don't need to subscribe. Bye!